So my sister and I are about to do a taste test. Yes. We're gonna both pick 3 things that each other will taste while being blindfolded. Having to guess. Don't give me anything that you know I don't like.
Okay.
Cause I just don't know. Even though it's okay, I'll do it. But yeah, see you guys. But I'm gonna have her go over there real quick.
I'll
yep. While I see what I'm gonna have her taste. Lemon's a little too easy. I wouldn't tell you what it is, but I really want to do something that's going to be a little hard to distinguish.
So it's my turn to pick what Maya's going to eat. But let's see what we're going to do. Okay, I got what I need.
Okay, you guys, we are ready. We're going to use these pants as a blindfold in case it's like not good enough. Just close your eyes and do it still. I'll do the same. Make sure we can't see you. Let's do rock, paper, scissors, see who goes first. So we're going to go rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Ready?
Best 2 out of 3. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Dang it.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I'll go first.
Okay.
So then that means you're gonna taste me. Yep, give me your snacks first. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. You wanna?
Okay.
And then just tell them the first thing, second thing.
Okay. Let me give you.
I'm trying to clear this mouth out, y'all.
Alright. So you guys already seen what I had in there. So we're just gonna skip to it. And it's like 3 guesses for all of them?
Type
Like
stuff.
three at a time? Like Okay.
Yep. If it's hard for me to do, I got 3
Do you want
tries.
to scoot closer?
Huh?
Scoot closer?
Scoot closer, what you mean?
If you want to scoot closer.
If I want what?
Scoot closer if you want to. But,
okay. I'm far behind.
Yeah, like he was like, way.
Okay.
Okay. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
I think this one's pretty easy.
I'm scared. Mustard. Disgusting. Okay. Some water, please. Yeah. Thank you. It's not even disgusting because I like mustard, but just mustard all alone is just.
Okay, you got that one right.
Okay. Oh, sorry.
You was gonna spill it on it.
Ooh.
Okay, ready for the second one?
Ooh, yeah, I'm kind of scared.
No, you're just gonna take a big
Don't
bite.
give me no big bite, please.
Just suck on it, okay?
Yeah, just give me enough to taste. Don't give me no big old swab of yeah. That's a lemon.
Yeah.
I mean a lime. That's kind of good though. Let me get some more.
Okay.
Now is that brown? Is that super brown on the outside?
No, that's not the brown one.
I was gonna say. Okay.
Okay, ready for the third one?
Mhm.
Bite. Bite it.
What the hell?
Bite it.
It's a fish stick. It's a cold fish stick. Oh. That's nasty. I could already taste it. Gross. I got them all right too.
Yeah.
Yay. And that was a lemon. I was right when I said a lemon the first time, and then I changed it to a lime. Those were good.
I knew I had to do whatever you didn't like. But although you did tell me don't do it, I don't like, but I did it anyway.
I know, right? Because I was going to say, don't get me mustard. I was literally going to say, don't get me mustard.
I gave it to you.
But okay.
Ooh,
Your turn.
I opened it up to your video. I like.
Okay. Ready?
Okay, yeah.
It's on your eyes?
Yeah, I can't see.
Okay. Let's see if she would guess mine. I don't know if she will or not, but we gonna see. Because she went kind of easy on me, to be honest. But I don't know. Okay. Start off with quite simple one. Start here. And what I'm gonna do is when we put them up in the, okay, put your head back a little bit. Let me stand up.
It's something you gotta pour in my mouth.
Type stuff. Put your tongue up, all the way.
Chocolate syrup, Hershey chocolate syrup.
Okay, let me wipe my hand out because I just had to catch up my own before. Okay. Next, we will do you gotta chew.
Okay. It's so yum.
I don't like salami either.
Not alone, like it has to be grilled.
Yeah. Something else to pour.
And I had high injection.
Nope. One more guess. Two more.
Hot sauce. The red kind.
Nope. Almost.
Valentina. Tabasco.
Nope. One other
Oh,
taste.
the Mexican hot sauce.
I believe you got it right. Do you know the name or was the color is at least?
Green.
Yep. There you go.
I'm trying Mexican. Okay, get it on my mouth. What kind of spit?
You got all 3 out of 3 too. Oh, hold on. Get it, girl. Both of us, cause yeah, we just did that. Cause period. No. Okay. So we're bored right now, and we're gonna do another challenge. This time we're gonna do. You know my peanut butter, y'all. I was eating crackers and peanut butter. Now I'm eating this lemon that she just tasted with.
I can drink lemon juice, but yeah. The next one is the Touch My Body Challenge.
We finna start it right up too. So this time we can do the opposite. Where did I go first last time to get the thing on? So you can go this first.
Yeah. Okay.
And get yourself blindfolded. And then I'm gonna pick some body parts for her to touch and guess what they are.
Yeah, cut my nose.
Okay. Good?
Yeah, I can't see.
Okay. The first body part I am going to do is, hold on, let me think. Trying to think. Okay, I got one.
Okay.
Every 80 seconds, a woman loses her life to heart disease, but it doesn't have to be.
Right here.
Nope.
The American Heart Association's Go Red for Women event on Friday.
Oh, your chest.
Not necessarily.
Arm.
No. I don't know how many guesses you can get. You can get like 2 more.
I'm lost. Okay, yes. I'm lost.
Can't get it?
No. I can't.
Okay.
What is it?
My stomach.
That's why I felt the shirt, because like the shirt must be like right there.
Kind of like holding it up.
Yeah.
Okay, next I will do.
Out my eye.
Okay.
That's your finger.
Nope. Curl your other finger up. Your other one's not this one. Put the thumb inside. Yep.
Your arm?
Nope.
Your leg?
Nope.
Knee?
Nope.
Elbow. Okay, I'm lost. Like,
You can't get it?
no. What was it?
My ankle.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Good. There's like one more.
Yep, one more. I gotta think. The next one I'm gonna do.
Let's go over here.
I'm pretty sure he's downstairs.
I don't know where he at.
Cheek.
Nope.
Nose.
Nope.
Forehead.
No.
Neck.
Yes. There you
Okay.
go. There you go. High five. I'm over here. Yep. High five, girl. Okay, come on.
Okay. I got one right.
Uh-huh. Let me see how many I can get.
Alright.
You just sit right in the middle. Oh.
You just bust yourself.
Okay. Is that like the side of your wrist?
Yeah. Okay, I got that one right.
Yeah, I'm actually pretty good at this.
Okay.
Hold on, use this finger. I think I'm just right-handed. I like the right side. Bottom of your foot? No?
This is the side of my foot.
Okay.
Okay.
Still got it right though.
Okay,
Foot.
let me guess. Hold on. Okay. Just, ready?
Uh-huh. Ah! Is that my limit?
Yeah.
Cause period. You're so crazy.
You're like,
Let me, I'm still finna eat it though.
What's your whole
I won that one. Yay. It was so fun. Thank you guys for watching my video. See y'all next time.